Hey guys, I'm going to do an unboxing, and what I have here is the Aura LED backlit gaming keyboard. So let me just open. And then as you can see, it's right here. And this is the keyboard itself. As you can see, it looks very nice, the box and the packaging. And it's made by auracn.com and works with Windows Visa, Windows 7, things like that. And it's sealed, so let's open the seal. Oh, I'm so nervous. I'm really nervous, but let's do this. And then as we open this, we can see the keyboard itself inside. Wrapped so nicely. And as you can see, this is the keyboard. So it looks really advanced, looks very complex. It's LED backlit, as you can see here. And overall, this is a very nice keyboard. I paid around $26 or $27 for it, I believe. It has some XRP things, I think. I don't know what these are. And it comes with the manual. So this is the unboxing video for you. I hope you guys enjoyed watching.